You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Mr. Reno Omokri, the award-winning author of Fact vs. Fiction, has called Mr. Adedimeji Lateef, a Nigerian star, for stealing one of his wisdom nuggets without giving him due credit. According to Mr. Reno Omokri, he said that Mr. Adedimeji Lateef copied his nugget word for word and failed to give him due credit for his work, which is plagiarism and also a very dishonest thing to do. He further claimed that he feeds himself from the sales of his books and that it is really wrong for someone to just waste his work without giving him proper credits. The stolen wisdom nuggets that were posted on the Twitter page of Mr. Omokri on 21st of May 2018 and 10th of January 2020 respectively were seen on the Instagram page of Mr. Adedimeji Lateef today, 30th September 2020. Reno took to his Instagram and wrote, Adedimeji took to his Instagram page to acknowledge the mistake. He wrote, Reno accepted his apology via his Instagram page. He wrote,
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.